One of the great features about the Trimble R980 is TIP, or Trimble Inertial Platform. TIP allows us to take measured points even when the pole isn't perfectly plumb, thanks to inertial-based tilt compensation measurement. We can see at any time in Trimble Access one of 3 different places where we can confirm that TIP is on or not. The first is the RTK status, where we can see RTK and IMU-based precisions. The other is the GNSS functions icon that shows the receiver being tilted. The third and last place is the map screen, where there's a yellow arrow that points in the direction that our receiver is pointing. At any time, we can turn tilt compensation on or off by tapping on the GNSS functions button and then selecting IMU tilt compensation and turning it off. We can see in the RTK status bar that initialization is dropped, and then it comes back in once it has reinitialized. Likewise, we can turn TIP back on by doing the reverse. So we tap on GNSS functions, we find IMU tilt in that bottom line and turn it back on. Again, the RTK initialization is dropped, and when it comes back in, we also need to initialize the IMU. When we initialize the IMU, it's simple as just perhaps waving it around for the tilt compensation to come back in, or we can start moving off to our next point and the IMU will initialize as we are on the move. Also part of TIP is an integrity monitor. The integrity monitor is constantly monitoring not only our solution age, but other conditions such as the temperature or whether the receiver has sustained any significant knocks. It will actually warn us if there are any issues with any of those items. So with TIP, with the integrity monitor, and with Trimble ProPoint, you know that every measurement you take is going to have the best quality possible. The R980 is available today. If you'd like to see a demonstration or if you're ready to make a purchase, contact your local Trimble distributor.